of each day. Forgive us for our failures, for our selfishness towards one another. Open our hearts to forgiveness and reconciliation. Ease the burdens of the troubled and bring joy to those in sorrow. We pray for the safety of the province and those guarding the well-being of our nation, and for all those with great responsibility. Continue to shower us with your blessings for our families and preserve the unity of our society. Ladies and gentlemen, you've been listening to radio station DYWB, a commercial radio station
owned and operated by the People's Broadcasting Service Incorporated,
as authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission. DYWB operates daily from 4 o'clock in the morning to 11 o'clock in the evening on 630 kilohertz with a power of 10,000 watts. DYWB is broadcasting from Bacolod City, Republic of the Philippines. DYWB is maintained and operated by the following personnel, duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission. First-class radio telephone operators: Joselito Pagayon, Chief Technician with license number 94-1PVI-12314. Ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine National Anthem and the Bombo Radio Philippines Corporate Song.
The reason why this network is on. We're standing together, so loud and so clear. And on your radio, we aim not just fun. We're here for you with our great big helping hand. The reason why this network is on. We're standing together, so loud and so clear. And on your radio, we air not just fun. We're here for you with our great big helping hand. We have the power to tell the truth without fear, with favor to no one. We stand as one. Turn on the radio and stay where you are. Listen to the Bombo and we'll take you near or far. We are here to speak the truth and let you know. We are here for anyone who needs a helping hand. We are here to find the way to freedom and peace, and justice for all. Make this world a better place. We are the CBS, the NBN, the PBS, Bombo Radio Philippines. Listen to the voices with no acts of arrogance, with candor and politeness. We are pledged to everyone. We dedicate ourselves, our fortunes, our lives. No matter what it takes, no matter what is sacrificed. We are here to speak the truth and let you know. We are here for anyone who needs a helping hand. We are here to find the way to freedom and peace, and justice for all. Make this world a better place. We are the CBS, the NBN, the PBS, Bombo Radio Philippines. Bombo Radio is here for you to let you know what's new. And because we care, we listen, we hear all the cries and whispers. We shall be free and fair. We are here to speak the truth and let you know. We are here for anyone who needs a helping hand. We are here to find the way to freedom and peace, and justice for all, to make this world a better place. We are the CBS, the NBN, the PBS, Bombo got your Philippines. We are the CBS, the NBN, the PBS.